Hello guys, in today's video, you will learn how to fix Instagram verification code not received problem solved. First, go to your favorite search engine and then type how to fix Instagram verification code not received. Now click on this first option. Instagram not sending security code to log in, how to fix. Just click on that. From here, you can now see and read what is the reason why Instagram verification code not received. It says here if you didn't receive the code, you'll need to check your spam folder to make sure that you didn't miss it. If it's still not there, you should request that they resend the Instagram confirmation code. You also want to check your network connectivity. You want to remember that you can only receive a security code SMS if you have a signal, so make sure that you have the internet connection. Next is to verify your phone number. Or you want to use an alternate verification mode. That's it! Thank you for watching! I hope that this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.